For most of the 2-hour hearing, Loughner sat calmly by his lawyer's side as his court-appointed psychiatrist described his slow descent into schizophrenia. He smiled just once when she mentioned the name of his favorite prison guard. Over the past year, Loughner has undergone intensive drug treatment and counseling. Today, Judge Burns said, "In my mind, he knows what's going on. The court finds him competent as of today." When Judge Burns asked him if he knew what he was doing today, he answered distinctly, "Yes, I do." He then pled guilty to 19 counts of murder and attempted murder for this January 2011 Tucson shooting that left 6 dead and 13 wounded, including Congresswoman Giffords. To each count, Loughner answered, "I plead guilty." In exchange for his plea, federal prosecutors agreed not to seek the death penalty. U.S. Attorney John S. Leonardo.
Mr. Loughner will spend the remainder of his natural life in prison with no possibility of parole.
Representative Ron Barber was shot that day. He was Giffords' congressional aide who recently won her seat.
My hope is that what happened today in this court can help all of us move forward and continue our healing process.
Susie Heilman was shot as she accompanied 9-year-old Christina Taylor Green that day. Taylor Green was killed.
Doesn't make it any easier to think about a dead 9-year-old.
Former Congresswoman Gifford and her husband released a statement today saying they are satisfied with the plea agreement. Avoiding trial, they say, will allow them and Arizona to move on. Bob?
Okay, thank you very much, Bill.